Hey, what's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Welcome to D Smith. Let's go. Welcome to today's session. I have some breaking news for you. Hip hop is not dead. Let me say that again. Hip hop is not dead. Check this out right here. Welcome to the session. Hey, what's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Welcome to D Smith. Let's go. Welcome to today's session. Real quick, so I'm out here working out and I'm listening to De La Soul new album, Cabin in the Sky. And I'm thinking hip hop is not dead. Hip hop is not dead. This album is great, man. This album is great to listen to. It gives you that good feeling, good vibe, and that is what is missing in music. Also, you choose to listen to that bull crap that's out there. You choose to do that. You choose to listen to rappers that have no messaging. You do that. Hip hop is not dead. Shout out to Nas, Master Appeal. Shout out to De La Soul. Great album, man. Hip hop is not dead. You better choose the right music you want to listen to. Stop listening to that garbage, man. I'm just saying. Welcome to the session. So hip hop is not dead. Hip hop is not dead. Go listen to that. Go listen to the De La Soul album. You can play that album from beginning to end. Hip hop is not dead. It's I said earlier in the clip, it's what you choose to listen to. If you choose to listen to trash music, that's on you. Hip hop is not dead. De La Soul, Cabin in the Sky. Let me tell you these songs, right? Run It Back, Straight Fire. The Silent Life of Truth. Stay Fire. ENF. That Black Thought killed that man. And guess what, guys? No bad language in the album. How many rappers can do that? They are not talking about smashing a bunch of girls. How many rappers can do that? I'll wait. Not talking about pow, 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 pow. How many rappers can do that? Hip hop is not dead. It's not dead to me because I choose some good music to listen to. Kendrick Clips, De La, and oh man, I can't wait for this one right here. Nas and DJ Premier are set to drop an album December the 12th. What? Hip hop is not dead. Hip hop is not dead. Hey, you know what? Shout out to Nas and Mass Appeal. Shout out to Nas. Nas has put hip hop on his back. And you know what? A bunch of old rappers that can really rap. Where the lie at? Where is the lie? Hip hop is not dead. It's what you choose to listen to. What album are you listening to right now? And the messaging of this album: live your life. Go through the ups and downs, but live your life. Enjoy your life. That's the message I got from the album, man. How many albums can give you messaging like that? I'll wait. I will wait. Hip hop is not dead. Hip hop is not dead, man. Man, that Black Thought killed that. Black Thought killed that, man. Nas, run it back. And there's one more. What's the name of that song? A Quick 16 for My Mama, Straight Fire. And it's this other one. It had a summer vibe to it, man. What's the name of that song, man? Oh shit. Cruel Summer. Cruel Summer. Straight fire, man. But yeah, hip hop is not dead. Great album. One of the best albums of the year, man. So I can't wait till Nas and DJ Premier drop their album. Nas, the older generation is like literally saving hip hop, and that's what we need to get back to. Cause let's keep it real. Let's keep this real, man. The younger generation, then fuck this thing up. The younger generation, then fuck this thing up. Now we got to get back to the older guys to save this thing. The young guys fucked it up. So Nas has to come back and save it. Jay-Z has to come back and save it. Kendrick has to come and save it. De La Soul, Wu-Tang, Raekwon, Ghostface. Let's face it, we need the old niggas back. We need the old niggas back because the young niggas burnt it down. Then fucked it up. I'm right or wrong. But yeah, hip hop is not dead. What are you listening to right now? And the old guys, the Nas, Nasty Nas, the God, is like literally carrying hip hop on his back. I'm right or wrong. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. Welcome to the session. Yeah, hip hop is not dead, man. I'm out of here.